How to create Replit account. Ready to dive into coding projects on Replit? Let's set up your account and get you started in no time. First, go to replit.com and click on sign up at the top right corner of the screen. You will be given a few options like sign up with email, Google, GitHub, or even Facebook. Choose whichever is most convenient. Let's go with email for this example. Enter your email address, choose a unique username, and set a strong password. Once you do it, hit sign up button. Replit might ask you to verify your email, so make sure to check your inbox and click the confirmation link. Once you're back, Replit will walk you through some quick setup questions like your experience level and your favorite languages. Fill those out to customize your experience and you will be taken straight to the dashboard. Using a GitHub account to sign up links your code repos directly, making project management a breeze. Are you a beginner or a pro coder? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.